not. Cigarette also.
We're gonna have coffee that's made out of cat shit. Just look at this ship. I just reached my hotel. They've done up the room, and it's very nice of them to have folded my clothes and kept it. They didn't have to do it, but they did it. I'm impressed. Alright, so me and some of the guests are deciding to go to a small little local mall over here. Apparently we were warned by our tour guide that stuff at the mall is pretty expensive, but I'm looking to go catch a coffee at Starbucks and just see the place. Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you, Matisa.
Very good, thank you. Alright, let's move. Guys go to see, I paid 68,000 RP for a Starbucks. I think it works out to about 300-400 bucks in Indian currency. Thank you. Alright, so I really don't know if the mall culture is good. What happened? Huh? No. So let's go into the mall now. Apparently, I just checked the prices over here of everything, and clothes and shoes over here is super expensive. Take for example, I went into Converse, which is behind me. A pair of Converse which I buy in India for about 1,500 bucks. Over here it's about 3,500-4,000 bucks. So it is pretty expensive over here. So I do not recommend you shopping for any type of clothes if you do come to Bali. Tip of advice. Of street shopping over here in Bali. You really need to bargain to get the price down. Wait a minute, I think that's better. Yeah, so you need to bargain to get the price down, but not really worth it. I mean, you'll get better deals in Thailand any day. Guys, if at all you are renting a bike in Bali and you suddenly run out of petrol, you can actually buy petrol over here and fill up your bike. So if you do rent a bike in Bali, be rest assured, if you don't find a petrol pump, you have petrol on the road. That's crazy. Okay, so guys, everywhere I walked around in Bali, Indonesia, I realized that, you see this over here? These things are usually kept outside shops and in the hotel and all that. I have my good friend Mr. Putra over here. He's been very nice to us. And Mr. Putra, can you explain to us what this is?
Alright, would like to explain it to you guys. This is part of the puja. This item we call it Canang Sari. Canang actually the container, Sari actually the essence. Okay, which is consists of, you can see the flower. Flower signifying the beauty, love. And you can have also the rice or cake. This one signifying the prosperity. And there is a little bit water on it, right? which is signifying preserving or the energy of preserving the nature, something like that, right? This kind of offering can be placed everywhere, depending on what God you're going to respect or you honor. Cigarette also, but it is not part of the offering, but they put it differently. So the cigarette actually function to neutralize the negative energy. In our culture, it is called charu. We make charu actually for negative energy. So we need to balance the positive and negative power as well. So this is part of the puja. We call it Chanang Sari. It's considered to be the smallest offering that every Balinese make every day. Every day.
So it's in all shops, it's in hotels, everything.
In every place where you can make puja. Okay. In our temple we put something like this one also every night. Okay. So this the offering over 3 times in one day, morning, midday, and in the afternoon.
Wow.
Okay, so this one called Chanang Sari. But when we make the bigger offering, under this one, we put all the produce from our garden. Sometimes cook rice, banana, cake. It is part of offering, which is a symbol of gratitude to the mighty God for the Shiva. And those, the fruit, the cake, the rice will be taken home for family consumption. And it is those fruit and rice considered to be the bless of the God. Okay.
Wow. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you.
So that was a little insight to what these small little offerings are, which I keep seeing everywhere. And I really wanted to know exactly what it was, and I got my answer, and I hope you guys as well got it. So food for thought, and there's some more knowledge about the Balinese culture for you guys. Okay, so we are now headed out for the dinner cruise as well as dinner. And apart from that, in the night, I'm going to try and show you a little bit of Bali nightlife. We're going to see how Bali parties at night. I know the nightlife in Pattaya, Thailand is amazing, and I'm going to compare it to Bali, so let's see. And I'm going to probably split the vlog into 2, because I think today's vlog has been really long. This might be part 2. Let's go. So as you can see behind me, there's I won't call this a yacht, because I'm going to call it a super yacht. And it definitely belongs to someone really wealthy, because the guy's got a lovely chopper over there. He's got some jet skis. He's got a car. So I'm really intrigued to know whose yacht it is. And if you see the skippers over there, those two who are doing the work, they seem to be pretty, they don't seem to be Indonesian, they seem to be foreigners. So I'm assuming whoever owns this yacht is someone really, really rich and someone powerful. Okay, so it is about 7:30 in the evening, and we are headed to our ship. This is not our ship, actually. This is a ship which will transport you from one island to another. I think it's like a day's journey, so it's not really a traditional cruise ship, but this is if you want to go from Bali to the other island. I'm not getting the name right now. You've got to use a ship like this. But I am looking at our ship. It looks crazy. It looks like something out of a cartoon movie, or it's just look at this ship.
Excuse me, sir. Don't forget your sandwiches.
No, thank you.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never. Ever after work is over. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever. Hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever. Hour after hour, work is never over.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, so we just got done with the night today, and we had a good time on the cruise, and now I am going to relax. And I am going to take a foot massage. Seriously, you have no idea the joy of getting a foot massage done after a hard day's work. It's well deserving and it feels great. Look at that. Don't you think today we walked a lot, bro?
Yeah,
We walked a lot.
Good time also. But
We had a good time, yes, no doubt. A good time, we walked a lot.
even our clients enjoyed it a lot.
The clients also enjoyed, yes. So tomorrow is going to be a very special vlog. So today I kissed a python. Tomorrow I'm actually going to have coffee that's made out of cat shit. No, I'm not joking. It is called lupaku. What? Lupakulwak.
Lupaku. What's the coffee called?
What's the coffee called? Lupak.
The coffee which
What is the local coffee called? Kupa Luwak? Kopi Luwak. So I'm gonna have the coffee called Kopi Luwak, which actually is made from cat shit. Don't judge me, guys. I know I'm a weird. Still, I'm a really weird person. I like to live on the edge. No judging. All right. So I think I'm gonna end today's vlog on this note. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh. So I'm gonna end today's vlog on this note, and tomorrow I'm going to try and show you a little bit of Bali's nightlife. I was actually going to show you guys some tonight, but too tired to go out and less time to sleep. So tomorrow, Bali nightlife. We've got a volcano. What else? We've got the Ubud village. Stay tuned.
silver factory.
A silver factory as well.
And
Like
Bali
the
swing.
The Bali swing, yes. Like the video, subscribe, be sure to comment.